So this is chapter 1.2, page 12, and this is the last segment. And I'm just gonna do number 21 and number 29. So let's start with number 21. All right, always read the instruction. In the diagram, points V, W, X, Y, and Z are collinear. Collinear means that it's all on a straight, on a line. VZ equal to 52, XZ equal to 20, and then WX is equal to XY equals to YZ. So that means WX equal to this. So just, given the information, fill out everything that you know. So let's just start with the VZ. So, you could go right away looking at the problems and try to answer it. But what I usually want to do, or is given the information, what can I, come up with? How can I draw my diagram? So let's start. I know that this is 52. XZ is 20, so XZ is 20. That means from right here to right here, that's 20. If that is 20, and I know that from right there equals to 20, and these two are equal, then I know that it got to be half of 20 each. So this got to be 10, 10, and this got to be 10. And just for the heck of it, do I know what VW equals to? Well, how do I figure that out? Well, I know that this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, that's 30, and I know the whole thing adds up to 52. So what does that mean? Well, you take 52 minus 30 and you'll get 22. So this is 22. Now check it to make sense, if it makes sense or not. 10, 20, 30, and that's 52, which is equal to the length of the whole thing. So that makes sense. Now all you need to do is just whatever it's asking for. Now WX, we'll look for WX. Let's see, WX is right here. This is WX. So I know the length is 10. So answer for WX equals to 10. And then you could do that to figure out the rest. So let's say, number 23, WY. Where's WY at? This is W and that's Y. So that'd be 10 plus 10, that's 20. So WY, that's 20. Alright, so now let's move on to number 29. Number 29, let me scroll down a little bit. This involves understanding the questions, and you got to read the question and go sentence by sentence. All right. So let's start with this. Point S is between R and T, and now looking at this line on top of RT, I know that this is a line segment. So I'm gonna draw a line segment because I know that that's what that line means. And since it's a line segment RT, then I know that this gotta be R, and this point is a T because 2 points determine the name. Now, um, and it also said what else? What other information it gives you here? It says that S is in between that, so I could put S right here. S right here doesn't really matter. Let me just put it right here. As long as S is in between RT. Now use give it so solve for use given information now to solve. All right. Let's start with RS. Well, from point R to S right here. This segment right here is 3x minus 16. 3x minus 16. And then the next segment, I'm do that in blue here. ST. So this is ST. It's 4x minus 8. Then I have the last one, RT. So from R to T is 60. Now all you need to do is set up an equation. Well, how do I set up that equation? I know that the orange here plus the blue here equals to 60. So let me just um, write that here. I know that orange, right? 3x minus 16, this segment here, plus the blue segment, uh, plus the blue segment here, is 4x minus 8. Well, make sure you put a parenthesis around it because it's talking about the whole segment. And then it's equal to 60. Now, So you know that, okay, now all you need to do is just solve for it. So I'm gonna do that in green. So I'm gonna distribute the parentheses. If you don't have any number here, automatically it's a 1, and then you can just distribute. So that'd be 3x minus 16 plus 4x minus 8 equals to 60. Now you want to combine like terms. I'm gonna combine the 3x and the 4x. So that'd be 7x. And then I'm gonna combine the negative 16 and a negative 8. So that becomes a negative 24. Maybe I should color code that as well too. So that's the this part right here, negative 24, and then equals to let's keep it the same color, equals to 60. Now what I want to do is I want to add 24 to both sides. 24 here plus 24 here. Then what I have left is 7x is equal to 84. Now divide by 7, divide by 7. X is equal to 12. So what does that mean by x is equal to 12? Well, wherever you see x, you're gonna plug it back, plug it back into here. Gotta plug it back to the x here so that you could get the number for the length because that's what they're looking for. Now, if I plug it back into the orange, so that'd be 3. So I'm taking this right here times wherever I see x, I put a 12 minus 16. Well, what is that equal to? This is 36 minus 16. Then I'll get 20. So that the orange segment here is 20. And then, well, if this is 20, do I really need to plug X in for here? Not really, because if I know this is 20, then this part gotta be 40. So that's how you do number 29, and that's how you show the work for number 29 as well too.